are given to the computer to perform different tasks. Collectively, these instructions are called a computer program. Examples of computer programs are a copy program to copy files and a program to create folders. Set of similar programs is called software. Depending upon their use and features, softwares are categorized into computer languages, system software, and application software. Computer languages are used to write computer programs. These can be categorized into low-level languages, high-level languages, and natural languages. Low-level languages are further classified into machine languages and assembly languages. High-level languages are another type of computer languages. These use English-like statements to write instructions. Some high-level languages include BASIC, C language, Lisp, and Java. Another type of computer languages is object-oriented languages. Popular object-oriented languages include C++, Java, Visual C++, and .NET languages. Fourth-generation languages are another type of computer languages. Visual languages are another most popular type of languages. Another category of computer languages is natural languages. Computer languages are further discussed in the next unit.